If we take an ordinary paper cup and heat the paper cup, it very quickly bursts into flames. If we take a paper cup and put water in the paper cup, it doesn't burst into flames. We can actually boil water in the paper cup. The water has a very high specific heat due to its hydrogen bonding. It also has a high molar heat of vaporization, also due to the hydrogen bonding. The water absorbs heat rapidly, and so rapidly that the paper never gets up to its kindling temperature. We've added a little food coloring to the water so it makes it easier for you to see the water boil.